going to do a quick unboxing and assembly of the Powermate 2800 PSI pressure washer. Hey everybody, I picked up a Powermate pressure washer, 2800 PSI and 2.3 gallons per minute. Came with all the nozzles. You've got a 0, 25, 40 degree, and then a soap sudser. And you've got the soap tank down below. And right in front, you've got your choke. You've got your fuel on and off. Over here on this side, it's the on-off switch to shut it down after you've got it running with the pull cord in the front. Nice, easy operation. One quick pull. It started every single time so far, so I've been really happy with that. And I did also buy a turbo nozzle off of Amazon, just a cheap one. I'll put a link to the Amazon listing in the description down below. But that was about the only thing that it was missing when I bought it. You got your standard trigger pressure gun. Operation wise, everything's been super easy. You got the cord hanger in the back. Just nice little clip to keep it in place. Gas tank's nice and open, so there's nothing to block getting in there. And it's chained with a nice little filter down inside. Your standard just plastic wheels, nothing to worry about for air pressure. Got the pump on the back side. Got your hose inlet. And then you have the basically the thermal overflow, I guess you could call it, on the back side. Just a nice basic unit. It's going to do what I need it to do.